Right now, firefighters are battling two fires near Ruidoso, New Mexico. There, a growing toll of more than 1,000 burned homes, shops, and restaurants demonstrates the costs FEMA can face in a single disaster.
It's devastating. They're losing their homes right now. Everybody doesn't have the means to pick up and start all over again tomorrow, you know.
NOAA says the U.S. faced $28 billion disasters last year, with 11 so far this year. That's not counting the kinds of disasters a new petition asks FEMA to add to its definition. It's filed by environmental, health, and labor groups, since workers are disproportionately impacted.
Extreme heat is the #1 weather-related killer right now.
They want the agency to start investing in preventative infrastructure, like cooling centers, AC in schools and senior homes, and power grid upgrades.
If a hurricane rips off your roof, they'll say, great, I'm going to repair your roof and I'm going to make you whole. And that's the quantification of money that I know how to resolve this issue with. Unfortunately, extreme heat is an entirely different and even more tragic ballgame because of how fatal it is.
It adds to calls for more funding for FEMA. A recent report projected the agency would run out of money in its disaster relief fund too early this year, without mitigation measures or more money directed by Congress. It all comes as the Midwest and East Coast try to keep people safe from the current heat wave.
Very, very, very hot.
Setting temperature records in several states.
And at this point, FEMA is not opposing this petition. In fact, in a statement, the agency said technically the current rules allow them to step in whenever local or state governments ask for it. Petitions say based on that statement, now state and local governments should try asking for help and see if FEMA is willing to be proactive about it, Joyce.
Do you have any idea how much more disasters are going to cost as the climate keeps changing?
Yeah, well, there have been a lot of different projections, as you might imagine. It's hard to really nail down a number that's reliable, but just suppression of wildfires will likely cost 42% more by 2050. That's one assessment. That's just fighting the fires. That's not relief.
So costing a lot more.
A lot more, Joyce.
Thank you.